STEAM.
We all have used this word a lot.
What does it exactly mean?
Breaking away from traditional ideas. Knack for identifying unexplored horizons.
And finding practical solutions. We believe it's the goal of incorporating technologies into education. We bring designs to life. We foster your dreams to take off. We inculcate science into daily life. And we create architects of the future in robotics, artificial intelligence, aviation, machine learning, and drone technology. Admissions open.
Winter workshop.